Okay. Good evening. I'm Venkataraman Ramanan from KO Limited, Dar es Salaam, Tanzania. The program on artificial intelligence machine learning was organized by CL Africa, Zindi, and IIT Madras. Zanzibar branch has been a very interesting one. I'm basically from a manufacturing industry, process industry. We produce container glass bottles, and we have large volumes of data, like that we generate on a day-to-day basis. Like in terms of the process parameters, raw material properties, and also maybe the bottle qualities. Producing more than 1.5 million bottles. So I think this program has given us. A lot of ideas on how we can integrate all this data and how we can cohesively use this data and then use the AI techniques for improving the overall performance of the plant and also improve the productivity. I think it's just a tip of the iceberg. We have some very good ideas on what we need to be implementing, like using these AI techniques. I think it's going to be a very very useful program for us. So I thank Seal Africa, IIT Madras Zanzibar, and also Zindi Africa for giving us an opportunity to attend this program. I'm sure our company would greatly benefit out of this. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello, my name is Vipin Pandey. I am from Kamal Group, and we are here at the data science season, 2-day season. So actually, we have the very experienced faculty from the IIT Madras Zanzibar, and we have got a very fantastic insight of the data science. We have got the insight what the data science can add the value to the industries in sort of analytics, in sort of increasing the productivity and reducing the cost, increasing the ROI. So it was a very interactive season, and yes, I would say it was a very good season, and I hope that in future in Tanzania this is a very good initiative, and our the future generation will have this type of will have a very good knowledge in the data science, and they will apply for the social benefit. So it was a very fantastic season, and it's great, and we'll see the very good improvement in the future. That's it.
So, in your organization, where all do you think you can easily apply what you've learned?
Yeah, basically in our organization we have the challenges that we have discussed with the professor also. So we have the challenges in the in HR issues. We also have the challenges in our there is customer base. So our customer base, yes, it is small, but we want to identify like if there is some type of problems is coming, the product wise problem is coming. So we can identify the problem by using the data. So basically the data we already have, but the thing is we don't have the insight of the data. So by using these techniques, what the professor has tell us today in this 2-day season. So of course, by using this type of techniques, we can get our solutions related to the problem. So what I feel is we have everything. The only thing we need to apply the tools and the techniques to get the solutions.
Because come from steel and mining or something.
Yeah.
In terms of which are very process intensive.
Yes.
So are there any things that you feel that this could add great value in the immediate future?
Of course, it could add a great value using like supply chains, and we also have, as I told you, HR, supply chain, because it's a labor intensive. It's sort of unorganized, like it's not that much organized like the telecom sectors and all that. So in the manufacturing field, like we have so many issues like quality issues and our customer base issues, our HR base issues, our supply chain base issues. So we can use those type of techniques what we have learned here what we have learned here in this 2-day session. We can use those tools and technique with what the data we already have, and we get those solutions, and we get very good output according the data inside.
How engaging was the sessions with Professor Raghu? How interactive?
It was, I would say, it was fantastic, and he has a very enriched knowledge of data science, and is a very well qualified, no doubt, and he's too much is having the experience, and he was the person, like I would say, in this 2 day session, because there are so many candidates from person from so many industries, those are from the non-technical background, but he take us in such a way so that we have a very good understanding of what this is, because data science is usually a very vast field, and he actually reduced those all of these things in 2 day session. Like, I must say, it's a 12 to 15 hour session, and we have given a complete understanding and insight of what the data science is actually. So it was an amazing and fantastic session.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.